Well, it's officially autumn, which means in Australia, summer's hit, or at least in this part of Australia. It is too hot to be out working on these vehicles. It's about 38 degrees Celsius. I know some of you guys are going to play who's got the hotter part of Australia. That's fine, you do that. I've got multiple sclerosis, which is affected by heat, and it means I'm having a bit of a hard time. Simply walking today is a problem. These are all bits that I've got to go on Land Rovers, and I'm really itching to do them. I've got to, at the very least, replace the seat in that. And I've got a master cylinder on the 6-wheel drive. Let's go check on that. So this is the 6-wheel drive in question. If you're new to the channel, I do a whole bunch of things, including Land Rovers and 8-wheel drive Argo and all that sort of stuff. Now, this is just basically a little update because it is literally too hot. I'm actually burning up standing here. The brake master cylinder has gone in this. That'll be the next video. We have done a bit of a deal with KLR Auto, so you'll be seeing some sponsorship from them soon. I've been trying to get hold of them for a long time, so I'm happy about that. There are a lot of things to do in the back of this, but I think today is going to be a desk job day where I do the little electronic bits that are a lot less popular on this channel. But I want to do something anyway. But for now, I'm going to leave it as a quick little update and hope you guys are satiated with that. Also on the list of things to do, I've got to clean out the back of this and a few refinements to make on the little generator project in there that you've seen in a couple of recent videos. This Jeep needs a few things. I think it needs some shock absorbers too. The 8-wheel drive, talking to my buddy Rocco, another Aussie Argo owner, I probably do need to do something about a skid plate on this. He'd be very happy if I got tracks as well, but that's probably not going to happen for a bunch of reasons. So also on the list of things I've got to do is clean up the workshop in here, finish fixing the X-ray machine. I've got some stuff to laser cut. I have some silver to cast. I have my late brother's lathe to get back to ship shape, and a bunch of power supplies to sort through, some vintage computer stuff to deal with. There is so much to do, but it's too hot in here. That laser is air cooled and the air temp in here is on the high side. That would very heavily shorten the lifespan on that laser. I also have headlights to put in the Argo at some point. All sorts of things, even more camera stuff to work on. Too much stuff to be done in this kind of weather anyway. So while I'm hiding away in the dark doing desk jobs, I hope you can bear with me for a little bit. There's a whole bunch of things going on, and as a result of helping people a little bit too much, I do need to actually generate some kind of money coming in. I'm on a disability pension for multiple sclerosis. So if you guys would be interested, you can subscribe. That certainly helps me. There is also a membership for $1.49 a month. There's some early access videos and sometimes some just unlisted or uncut footage that are in there as well. But moreover, it definitely helps me out. Quite often that extra dollar is the difference between getting my $100 in the month or not. As you may or may not be aware, YouTube only pays out if you get $100 in that month. Otherwise, you've got to sit and wait till next month. So in any case, I hope you guys are interested, still entertained. I don't know what else to say. This is a very impromptu video, and my brain is scattered all over the countryside right now. So we'll see you in the next one. Hope it was interesting, and we'll be back with more of the Land Rover and mechanical stuff that a lot of you seem to come here for. And in any case, I'll go back to doing my desk jobs.